Tokyo Great Cycling Tour. Pretty excited. We're gonna see lots of cool sights, temples, shrines. Take you guys along for the ride.
Tokyo Great Cycling Tour is a tour to make friends.
And guests from all over the world, visiting many different places in Tokyo, so you can see the area you normally don't see.
This is a Shinto shrine where people come to make wishes to the gods. We're back at the Tsukiji Fish Market. Back on the bikes we go. This tuna that I'm eating came from the Tsukiji Fish Market, so it was auctioned off just early this morning. Now we're on a boat. It's so beautiful out.
Turning up and turning down, I'm turning in, I'm turning right, I'm turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so.
We're walking up a shrine.
I really think so.
This is the Imperial Palace where the Emperor lives.
Again. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Arigato.
Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so.